Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can make money on Etsy, so let's get right into it. Now, there are a couple of main methods of earning money. However, the number one main one is to actually sell your items on Etsy, and you can very easily do that by setting up your own shop through your own account and then starting to sell your own products, whether they're physical or digital, it doesn't really matter. You can sell whatever you want. So, well, of course, as long as it is in line with the terms of service on Etsy. If it's not, then your seller account will be taken down. However, if you want to sell some things on Etsy, you need to create an account. And once you log in, you need to go into your shop manager. Over here, you'll go through the entire setup process. So you're going to start with your shop preferences, which is going to be language, the country, and the currency that it's going to use. Then the shop you want or the name you want for your shop, and then you're going to need to stock your shop. Just set up your first listing, which you'll go through this editor to set up. And once you set up your listing, you can then go over and well, set up all your banking information and everything to know the method of payment you'll be getting, your billing info for your expenses that you need, and your shop security. Once you set all of that up, you'll be able to start selling things, and when people buy it, of course, you'll make money. Other than that, you do have their partner program or their affiliate program, which you can use to promote them, and of course, you'll get a commission off of that. But other than that, there's nothing else to add. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.